Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore safe, core, module settings after reset, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, power on your device and wait for it to boot up completely. Once on the home screen, locate the settings icon and tap to open it. Scroll down to find the system option and select it. In the system menu, look for reset options and tap on it. You may see various reset options. Choose reset all settings. Confirm your selection when prompted to proceed with the reset. After the reset, return to the main settings menu. Scroll down again to find Safe, Core, Module Settings. Tap on Safe, Core, Module to access its settings. Check if the default configurations are set correctly. If not, proceed to adjust each setting as needed. Ensure that all security measures are activated. Once all adjustments are made, review your settings for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, exit the settings menu. Monitor the system performance to ensure stability. Perform a restart if necessary to apply all changes effectively. Your safe, core, module settings should now be restored and functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.